Welcome! Today we are going to learn how to make Oreo biscuit. First, get your 300 grams of flour, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, add your 150 grams of cocoa powder, add your baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I use only 1 teaspoon of sugar because the cocoa powder contains a lot of sugar already. After that, mix everything well. After mixing everything well, add your 3.5 teaspoon of butter or margarine. If you don't have the machine, don't worry, use your natural hand to mix it. The value is the same. Add little milk. Add only little milk because we are going to add another little water to it. So after adding the little milk, little water, mix everything well. Mix it till it becomes like fufu or banku. I'm going to divide it into two so that I can do it or spread it or use my ruler to spread it well. After spreading it, use anything available, simple, basic in your kitchen to make a round shape. After cutting it, remove all the unwanted part or the unwanted material from it. Hey, it is still wanted though, because I'm still going to remold it and spread it and still cut it again. So it is wanted. It is still going to be wanted. So just remove it and put it somewhere. And later use it again. So after that, put it on your tray. When putting on the tray, please spread some little oil on the tray. While it is in the oven baking at 150 degrees Celsius, we are going to make that white sweetening between biscuits that you see, between biscuits. So put your butter. Add 3 teaspoons of icing sugar or powdered sugar. Then add your vanilla extract and mix it. Stir it till it becomes smooth. Then, if you don't have piping bag, then put it inside your cocoa rubber or any plastic available in your kitchen. The value is the same. It is going to serve the same purpose. Crispy. So after the biscuit is ready, let it cool down. Otherwise, it will burn your hands. So I'm going to fill in that white thing you see when you buy biscuit. My greetings to Akua's Kitchen, USA Lydia. I greet you. Lydia, Akua's Kitchen. I greet you a lot. Wow, I'm going to taste it to see whether the job was done well. Fantastic, fantabruta. Wow. Thank you for watching Safu Bafu TV. May God bless you. May God grant you all your good wish. Please subscribe, like, comment.